Mary here again, and today is another first impression and review video. So if you want to know what I'm going to try on tonight, keep on watching. Tonight, girls, I'm going to try on this MINISO Ocean Bird Nest Nutrition Silk Mask. Okay, girls, so sabi dito, ito yung mga product features niya. So, it tightens skin, restores skin elasticity, enhances skin vitality, improves skin conditions, lifts and tightens skin above and under respectively. So, try natin ito and we'll see kung ano yung magiging effect niya on my face. Girls, super nice nung box niya. Kasi nung inopen ko siya, tinanggal ko na yung plastic cover niya. Well, ito yung box niya. Tcharan! Super nice, girls! And inside, meron din siyang tatlong masks. So, yan siya. And then, try natin yung isa. Open ko na, girls, yung isang sachet. So, pwede na siyang ma-peel or ma-open yung tear lang yung ano. Wala siyang amoy, girls. As in, wala siyang scent. Okay, so ito yung mask niya. Yan siya. So, same lang din siya nung ibang mask, girls, na meron siyang plastic para hindi magdikit-dikit yung facial mask. Okay. Yan. So, ito yung itsura ng mask. Yan siya. And then, let's put it na sa ating face. Okay, let's do this. Super lamig niya, girls. Ang sarap-sarap sa mukha. Okay. So, I will leave this mask for about 15 to 20 minutes or so. And then I'll get back to you. Okay, girls, so after 20 minutes, I'm going to remove now my mask. Girls, it's super nice. So, massage ko lang ng konti yung mga naiwan na Okay, girls. So, sabi sa instruction, after na matanggal yung mask, so, i-massage ko lang yung face ko And then I have to rinse it with water para sa better results. So, I'm going to the washroom first para mag-rinse ng face and then I'll get back to you. Okay girls, so na-rinse ko na ng water yung face ko now and ito na yung result niya. Well girls, I super love this MINISO Ocean Bird Nest Nutrition Silk Mask kasi super nice niya. Well, yung product feature niya, ang sabi dito, it tightens skin. Well, it really tightens the skin. Super nice niya. And then, it restores the skin elasticity and true naman talaga na parang super nice ng skin ko ngayon, girls, as in. And then, it improves skin conditions. Well, I hope na ma-improve niya talaga yung skin conditions ko kasi sobrang dami kong breakouts nowadays kasi sobrang init na. So, I hope na this would help at least lessen yung mga breakouts ko sa face ko. And so, for the rating, girls, I'm going to give this 9 out of 10 because I so love it. And yung features niya, well, actually, yun yung naging result niya sa face ko after using this face mask. So, I love it and it's perfect. Now, if you want to buy this face mask, girls, this one is available sa MINISO. And this is their Ocean Bird Nest Nutrition Silk Mask. And that's it for tonight, girls. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa first impression and review video ko today. And I hope to see you girls again on my next videos. So if you haven't watched, girls, any of my videos, please subscribe to my channel or check my channel on YouTube. It's Neri Gamelo. And I hope to see you girls again next time. Bye! Stay beautiful!